everyone. I hope that you've been enjoying the hot sauce and the guacamole that you made. Let me know how it turned out. Let me know if you added anything to yours that I didn't have in mind. Let me know your recipe. It might be something that I add to my book of spells over there. I know everyone has probably had the little cocktail weenies, Lil Smokies, and they are just scrumdiddlyumptious. These are probably the easiest things that you can make. So if somebody says, hey, what do you want to bring? If nobody else has, sign up for the Lil Smokies. They're quick, they're easy, they're delicious. Everybody's gonna love them. Everybody's gonna love you. And it's just gonna, these little things make the world go round. So all you're gonna need is just 2 packs of the Lil Smokies. You are gonna cook it in your slow cooker. You're gonna cook it on high for about 2 hours. And step 1, take the Lil Smokies out of the bag and put them in your crock pot, slow cooker, whatever you got. There you go. You're gonna take a bottle of your favorite barbecue sauce, any barbecue sauce you wanna use. I use Stubbs Original. Any of the Stubbs flavors are gonna be bomb. Stubbs, I used to live in Texas, so I mean, if you know, you know. Stubbs is amazing. Some people like Sweet Baby Ray's. There are plenty of barbecue sauces. You can even make your own barbecue sauce. I have a recipe for it. I just didn't want to make it today. You can use whatever you want. It's gonna be up to your taste, what you like. So, like I said, you just need 1 bottle of barbecue sauce for 2 packages of the Lil Smokies. Now, if you're gonna do more Lil Smokies, you're gonna need more barbecue sauce and more of our next ingredient. This is the one that throws people off. They're like, oh my God, no, not really. You're not gonna put that in there, that's gross. I promise it's not, because if you've tasted anyone's Lil Smokies, I will almost guarantee that they used this next ingredient, grape jelly. You can use this size jar, which is 18 ounces, or you can use one that's a little smaller. Why it works, I don't know, I can't tell you that. I am not the originator of this recipe, but as somebody who has eaten it multiple times and asked multiple people, multiple grandmas, this is what every single one of them has said. A bottle of barbecue sauce and a bottle of grape jelly. Like I said, it sounds gross. When I heard it, I was like, no, y'all are lying to me. This is some joke. You just don't want to give me your recipe. They were not, turns out. They will not taste like grape jelly, I promise. Well, if you've had them, you know it doesn't taste like grape jelly. That's why you didn't know that was the secret ingredient. You just want to mix all that up. Make sure you got some sauce on all your Lil Smokies. That's it. You're done. Put it in the slow cooker or your crock pot, whatever you got. Cook it on high for about 2 to 3 hours. Everything's cooked, you just need to heat it up. So cook it on high for about 2 to 3 hours before you're ready to serve it. And then once you put it out to be served, you can leave it in the crock pot, leave it on, keep warm or low, and I promise you they won't last long enough for anything to happen to them. So tell me what your favorite barbecue sauce is down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know, are there any other summertime potluck or barbecue foods that you want to know how to make? And I will be more than happy to make them for you. All right, thanks everyone. I hope you have a good rest of your week. Bye-bye.